Naga Hotages Achumba Wayel Phanghanlu Haina Ansam Sinduna Wakat Khongchat Chatkhre. Haukiba Megi Tang Tarahumdoida Laylon Wi-Fi Degi Fakiba Naga Hotages Tamthina Hatok Piki Babu Yaning Taba Fongdoktuna Achumba Wayel Phanghanlu Haina Ansam Sinduna Ngasi Imfalda Khongchat Ama Chatkhre. Khongjang adu da saruk yakiba singnato Naga Hotages mihat ke Achumba Wayel Phanghanlu lamdam asida athubada ingtappa puraknaba hotnagadabani. Koki militant singa kuyak pinariba shu abrogate tawgadabani. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen mahaki from dagi lokthokadabani. KNFP bu terrorist ni haina lokthokadabani haina takshinki.
Serving to the world that we are peace-loving people, and the government should not take advantage of our peace-loving and keep on denying or taking granted of the demands made by the Naga people in line with the Charter of Demand placed by the United Nations. Even after 30 days, the government's failure to book or to arrest even a single culprits or perpetrators who are involved in the abduction and brutally killing of those 6 Naga hostages is very unfortunate. And the association views this as that the government is not sincere enough. We are confident that if they are sincere, if their intervention is very sincere, the perpetrators and all those culprits who are involved in that heinous crime will be arrested. So the Ansam is organizing this mass rally as a sort of peaceful demonstration to express the voice of the voiceless people, the voiceless Naga families, and the 6 Naga hostages who are kept in the hospital, demanding justice. The immediate justice arrests the perpetrators involved in the crime. And in the line of the United Naga Council, we are also demanding the KNFP who is involved in this crime